Hi, hello, namaste, adab. Ellarku vanakkam and namaskara. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to print all the even numbers in a given range. Okay, let's understand the problem first. Before going to the understand the problem, I am requesting each and every person to please excuse me if there are any mistakes or spelling mistakes or communication skill mistakes, or is there any better logic apart from my video? Please let me know in the comment section. Then only I can understand, you can understand, our viewers can understand. Okay. Yeah. I before I use this to explain in Java. Yeah. Let me do it from scratch. I am indicating with green color whatever the text that is called our problem statement of the day. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Try to understand the problem first. Without understanding problem, you can't able to solve it, right? Yeah. First, understand what is even number. I definitely know that you know. I know. Yeah. Even number is nothing but a number if divisible by 2, then it is, and not only divisible, it should also give the remainder as 0. That's all. Yeah. Divisible by 2 means itself it is saying, if you want, I can expand it. Divisible by 2 and remainder is 0. Yeah. Then only that particular number is said to be even. For example, yeah. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 followed by 10. If you ask me randomly, that is 12, then 18 or 16 and so on. The main formula is 2 bracket of n. If whatever you the n value may be, if you substitute 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that will be considered as even numbers. Okay, in a range. So we are concentrating to print on a range, not only particular number, but in a range only. Okay. Yeah. Hope you got the problem of today's class. That is print even numbers in a range. While I am typing this, try to in what ways we can do the solution, or in what way, what may be the logic he is going to use. See here, my logic in this video is very basic level. I am concentrating only on the basics. If you know the basics, you can solve any problem. Without wasting your time, let's get into the video. Okay? Yeah, I am indicating now with red color, indicating that this is the logic I am going to use. Okay. Whenever I say range in your mind, definitely one thing should come, must and should come. That is nothing but starting point. There should be some starting point, right? Starting point. Yeah. Because it is a range. So there should be again one ending point. After that, we are checking each and every number, right? So check each and every number. Each and every number. Yeah. After that, not checking. Checking includes, it's better to mention not check. What I can say, taking. Okay. Take each and every number. Then you will check with what? With that particular number is divisible by 2 or not, which gives us the remainder 0 or not. If it is yes, then print. If no, no need to print and solve. That's all. Simple, right? First, we need to go with a starting point that is nothing but our input only. Then about ending point also, it is our input only. and we are taking each and every number and we are checking whether that number is divisible by 2 or not. If divisible, we are printing. If not, no need to do any task. Okay. Now this is the logic I am going to use in this video. Yeah, let's do it. First, as I mentioned, there should be some starting value, right? So I am naming it as start. It is integer type. So I am giving it as int of, it is input from our side. So input, and here I am passing one message which can useful or understandable by the user or the program executor, even though he don't know anything. Enter, enter the starting value. Yeah, and there should be some endpoint, right? So I am taking it as end equals to, it is also integer and input from outside. So I am passing a enter. Before that, I mentioned int of input of followed by enter the ending value. Ending value. Okay. Why I am giving this much of spaces exactly? Because the user should know or can easily understand what is the problem or messages. If I give if I remove all these things, it may be something he or she may feel uncomfortable. So I am using like this. Yeah. If you observe here, we mentioned it as starting, ending, and we are iterating. So indirectly, I'm saying we can use looping statement, right? So I'm using for loop for I in range from starting only, right? Starting to end should also be included. Which and after that I am checking, right? Checking checking will be done in the programming language using if condition. Okay, if that particular number is sorry is divisible by 2 or not, right? Is if it is as I mentioned, print that number, right? Yeah, printing also we can do in efficient manner. Yeah, that particular is particular integer is even number. I will also give number and followed by full stop. Let's check whether we are getting the correct output or not. Yeah, it is asking me the starting value if I enter 1. Yeah, and followed by ending value that is nothing but 20 I will give. The output should be according to me is uh, 2 is even number, 2 is even number, 4 is even number, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Yeah, 2 is even number, 4 is even number, 6 is even number, 8 is even number, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Yeah, hope you got clear. And if you ask me, is there any method? Obviously, there are multiple methods. Yeah, no need to print the, no need to have this much also. If I take it, I will copy this and I will remove this one also. Then I will directly I can say, but I need to make forward and it should be what I can say. Let's see whether I am getting correct output or not. Sorry, it is step only, right? I think it will print even number. I think so. Yeah, it's correct. Then at that time you can start from 1, start from 0 actually. Then at that time we need to neglect this one. Okay, I am making it as what I can say comment. Yeah, comment. Yeah, hope we will get at this time. Yeah, ending value only. If I enter 10, yeah, 0 is even number, 2 is even number, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the two methods I know, and in the future or in future, we will come up with new logics or new videos. Steep, oh yeah. Hope you got clear. We are checking each and every number from starting value to ending value. If I give the input from 1 to 5, it will check each and every number, including 1 and 5. Yeah, it is the whether it is divisible by 2, sorry, sorry. Yeah, whether it is divisible by 2, right or wrong? No, because it will give us the remainder. But we are checking the remainder should be exactly 0. So 1 will be not printed. And what about 2? If we divide 2 with 2, automatically the remainder will be what? 0. So it is printed. 2 will be printed. As usually 1 will be not printed because it will give the remainder as 1. What about 4? 4 will be printed because it will definitely it divides with 4, divides with 2, sorry, divides with 2 and gives the remainder as 0. What about 5? 5 will be neglected. Will be neglected. Okay, sorry, avoided. My mistake only. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.